The wife lovingly prepares this gift for her husband, hoping to give him a surprise in calm days. 3D printers, once only applied in work, now have use in life. We commit to greatly simplifying their setup processes. SELPIC Star A 3D printer makes leveling easier and saves people from endless waiting. It supports a variety of printing filaments. Is it hard to achieve high precision? No, we did it. SELPIC Star A is a laser engraver and a printer with USB online and SD card printing support. Star A features finer details and opens up more possibilities. Through the touchscreen, even kids can operate Star A, and DIYers can test their novel ideas. People get no need to worry about discontinuation for power outage, as Star A can resume printing. Its noise is barely audible. Its capability is pretty incredible. Its craftsmanship and performance are truly remarkable. Star A is an open-source 3D printer supporting many add-ons. All accessories are available.